Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number third. Today's we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap website, where you can find the docs, where you can find the CDN, where you can find the versions of the Bootstrap family. So this is the version of the fourth, and we are working on the Bootstrap fourth version. Okay, so this is the official website of the Bootstrap. So it's getbootstrap.com. So official website where you can start what are the Bootstrap icons, yes, delivery, they are talking about the CDN and how can you install it, how can you install the installation process. And as you can see, they are saying that build faster responsive site with Bootstrap. Definitely. You can create the responsive website quickly by using the Bootstrap. Okay, now as you can see, this is the official theme. So these are the official themes available on Bootstrap. If you need them, just click on the buttons. They are providing the themes. So these are the official themes. Okay, we are not going to cover the themes in these sections. So here, as you can see, they have docs, examples, icons, themes, blog. So if you want the theme, just click on the theme section. They will redirect you from the getbootstrap.com website to the themes.getbootstrap.com. So all the themes available here. If you want to this theme, just click on this one. They will give you the standard license, multi-site, extended. So you can also buy this theme from the theme box. But for now, fine. So now as you can see, if you click on the docs, as you can see, since we are working on the Bootstrap 4 family, so fourth version of the this is the fourth version of the Bootstrap. So if you click on this one and click the all versions, as you can see, this is the fourth version. This is the third version, one version. One and two are the legacy version of the Bootstrap family, but three is the previous version of the Bootstrap. The last version was a 3.4.1, and the current version of the Bootstrap 4 is the 4.6. Okay, we are not going to discuss about the version 5 because this is the beta version. We also have the same series available on internet. We can, if you want to learn the Bootstrap 5, we also have the same series. Okay, if you click on the examples, they have some examples where you can start, how can you start, and of course, they will discuss the features, sidebar, a lot of things available here. If you click on the docs, just type your desired version. So this is the 4.x. Now, as you can see, you have introduction where you can start, and this is the quick start. You can also download the version, CSS and PS files, and this is the bundles, the creators, components, and how can you start. So they are talking about the HTML5 doc type. They are talking about the responsive meta tag. So they are talking about the box sizing, reward community, and some other documentation available here. What you need is to go to the website and read the entire documentation. It's up to you. Okay, now as you can see, if you click on the download, you have the 4.0.6 version compiled to 300 file. They are also providing the source files, also providing the JS delivery. That means they are talking about the CDN. You can also download by using the manager. If you're working on the Ruby gems, you can just type this one. If you're working on the Composer, just download this one. If you're working on the .NET, so you can also use this command to download the Bootstrap version. In the next lecture, we are going to download the Bootstrap 4 version by using the download product, by using this CDN, and also by using the Composer, since we are using the Composer. If you are not familiar with the Composer, I'm just telling you that Composer is a dependency manager. That means you can download all the dependencies by using the Composer. Okay, now if you click on the content, as you can see, they are giving you some idea how you manage your content. So browser and devices, they are telling you that the compatibility of the browser, they have mentioned here. If you click on the JavaScript, they are going to give you, or they are giving you some JavaScript things here. If you click on the layout, so you can see content. So these are the content. If you click on the layout, so these are the layout, that what is the container and what are the rows. They are discussing about the fluid container and some other kind of stuff here. So I'm saying the example, the documentations I have four versions, and as you can see, these are the components. So these are the components available here. Like how can you create your alerts? So these are the alerts. How can you create your badges? So these are the badges. How can you create your breadcrumbs? So these are the breadcrumbs. How can you create your buttons? So these are the buttons and the different kinds of styles of the button. If you want to the button groups, they also have a button group section, drop downs, forms, a lot of things available here. We are going to discuss a lot of things in this series, so don't worry. So that's why we have already mentioned in the first lecture, we are going to discuss all things from the zero. So this is the overview of the Bootstrap website. In the next session, we are going to download the Bootstrap. So you guys can easily understand how can you download and how many ways available to download the Bootstrap forward. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the video. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you think that we have missed something, please leave a message in the comment. So thank you for watching.